Hello students, once again welcome to all of you. In this lecture, we are going to study network components. This is a lecture number 3. Next, network components. In previous lecture, we saw what is a network. So, a group of computers are connected in a same fashion in order to share resources is called as a computer network. A computer network device, also known as communication device, and they constitute a data communication network. These devices are router, switch, hub, LAN card, gateway, modem, hardware, firewall. There are different components of network. First is hub, bridge, switch, router, modem, gateways. All are the network components. First component is a hub. A network hub is a component that allows multiple computers and other devices to be connected via local area network, that is the LAN network. It makes data packet sent from one device available to other devices on the same network. Okay, so this is a diagram of hub. Hub contain the different ports and each port connected to a computer. Okay, so hub is a common connection point, also known as a network hub, which is used for connection of devices in a network. It works as a central connection for all the devices that are connected through a hub, and hub has a number of ports. If a packet reaches at one port, it is able to see by all the segment of the network due to the packet is copied to other port. So, hub has no routing tables or intelligence which is used to send information for all the network data across each and every connections. So, it is an important components of a network. Next component is a bridge. A network bridge connects multiple network segments at a data link layer of the OSI model. Once the bridge associates a port and the address, it will send traffic for that address to that port only. Okay, so this is a diagram of bridge. All the computer network are connected using a bridge. A bridge is a type of computer network device that provide interconnection with other bridge network that use the same protocol. So it is also an important components of a network. Next, switch. A network switch is a device that forward and filter OSI layer 2 datagram between port based on MAC address. Here is the diagram of switch. Switch contain the different ports and all the computers and the other peripheral devices connected to a switch. A switch is a device in a computer network that connect other devices together. Multiple data cables are plugged into a switch to enable communication between different network devices. So, the purpose of switch is for communication in a different network devices. Here is the internet connect to the peripheral device or the computers using the cable modem. Modem means the modulation and demodulation. So, this is also a important components of a computer network. Next, router. A router is an internetworking device that forward packet between network by processing information found in the datagram or packet. Router are used to interconnect network, that is without router the internet could not exist. So router is the most important part of the internet or a network. Here is the diagram of router. A router receives and sends the data on a computer network. Router are sometimes confused with a network hub, modem or network switch. However, router can combine the function of these components and connect with these devices to improve internet access or help create business network. Okay. Next is modem. The device that convert digital signal into analog signal and analog signal to digital signal is called modem. The word modem stands for modulation and demodulation. It means modem consists of modulation and demodulation. Here is the digital signal is converted into analog signal, vice versa analog signal converted into a digital signal. So modulation and demodulation is the component of a network. So modulation means digital signal converted into analog signal and demodulation means the analog signal is converted into a digital signal. So using modem we can establish the connectivity of a internet. So it is also important components of a computer network. Next is gateway. Gateway is an network device which interconnect two heterogeneous networks. Gateway is an connectivity link between two networks that use dissimilar protocol and architecture. Gateway receives data from one network and repackages it in destination network protocol stack. Gateway are similar in fashion to root, but they are more powerful and intelligent device. Okay. So gateway is the connection between two different network. So it is also an important components of a computer network. Students, today we saw the different component of network. Okay, thank you.